Hey y'all, so happy new year if you're watching this video, and if you haven't already subscribed to your girl, go ahead and subscribe. Okay, so we starting it right in the video. So today we will be creating fully distressed mid-back goddess locks, and the first thing that you're going to need is your spring twist hair and your Bobby Balls Brazilian curl hair. So the first thing first when creating this style is you want to do your foundation first. Okay, so my client today, she wanted square parts, and I think that square parts look very neat. You can do the natural parts too, but the square parts just give it a whole different look. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to braid her whole head, and then after I braid her hair, I'm going to add in the curls and also add in the spring twist. I'm not adding in the spring twist at the end because sometimes when you add the spring twist at the end, it can make the locks a little bit stiff, and it can also make them a little bit heavy. So what I've started to do with some of my locks is feed in the spring twist hair with the crochet hook instead of braiding it in, and that's also easy for some people too who don't know how to braid in the spring twist hair as well.
Everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style is so fly. I can't deny, I got a crush on you, and that's true, deep. And I'm digging you. Make me believe.